Hey there, fellow gardeners. Are pesky pests and diseases wreaking havoc on your container garden? Don't worry, I have got some simple yet effective solutions to help you protect your precious plants. Stick around as we dive into some practical tips for keeping your container garden healthy and thriving. Imagine spending hours nurturing your container garden only to find it decimated by pests or diseases. It's a gardener's nightmare, but fear not, because today I am sharing some tried and true strategies to keep these pests and diseases at bay. Let's get started. Let's explore some practical ways to protect your container garden from pests and diseases. Start with healthy plants from reputable nurseries or garden centers. Healthy plants are less susceptible to pests and diseases, giving your container garden a better chance of thriving from the start. I once bought a plant with yellowing leaves, thinking I could revive it, but ended up infecting my other plants. Lesson learned. Maintain good hygiene practices in your garden by regularly cleaning and sanitizing your containers, tools, and hands. This helps prevent the spread of pests and diseases. I make it a habit to clean my pots with a mild bleach solution between planting, and it's made a big difference in keeping my garden healthy. Keep a close eye on your plants for any sign of pests or diseases such as charred leaves, yellowing, or wilting. Early detection is key to preventing infestations and outbreaks. I once noticed small holes in my pepper plant leaves and discovered I have hiding underneath. I quickly treated the plant and prevented further damage. Opt for natural pest control methods whenever possible, such as introducing beneficial insects like ladybugs or using insecticidal soaps or neem oil. These methods target pests while minimizing harm to beneficial insects and the environment. I released ladybugs in my garden to combat aphids, and they made quick work of the infestation. Rotate your crops regularly to prevent the buildup of pests and diseases in the soil. Planting the same crops in the same containers year after year can attract pests and deplete soil nutrients. I rotate my herbs and vegetables each season to keep pests guessing and maintain soil health. So there you have it, some practical tips to protect your container garden from pests and diseases. By choosing healthy plants, practicing good hygiene, monitoring for pests and diseases, using natural pest control methods, and practicing crop rotation, you can enjoy a healthy and thriving container garden all seasons long. If you found these tips helpful, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more gardening advice and plant care tips. Have you had any experiences dealing with pests or diseases in your container garden? Share your stories or tips in the comments below. We would love to hear from you.